Them cuts today coming out pretty good. Work until that sun sets, homie. Job ain't gonna build itself.
Yo, what up, Anonymous Oblique? To change the ways you think. Just headed home from a long day at work. Ventilating on some beats. Catharsis my brain, people. Yo, I'm so hard-headed, a good hit probably won't even faze me. All it's gonna do is just piss me off and drive me crazy. I love my job with a passion, but I'm like, more money, fucking pay me! Yo, I like to think I live my life like a blossom flower, but I'm no fucking daisy. I don't even represent, even though I'm from H.P. Bailey. They want to talk all that shit, but when they in my face, they ain't got nothing to say to me. That's alright, I kick flows on it daily. I like to think my life's crazy. I don't know, just kicking flows for the fun of it, yo.
All it's ever been sometimes is an idea, you know, a vision, an image, and then I bring it to life, like with the whole Wally's Welding World logo. That was just a vision I had, you know, the debut logo, and like I just described it to somebody. I didn't even draw that one down. I like described the character and what I want, and me and the graphic design artist, which I don't know where he is in the world. I know he's from England or Paris or something like that. Man, he went by Mixtapes. Man, I miss you, brother. I don't know where you are in life, but Chris Mixtapes, I miss you, man. I need you on my team. He built me some of the most dopest logos. He made me some of the most illest album covers when I was doing my music. Chris Mixtapes, man, I miss you. I don't know where you are. I know that, you know, he was able to bring to life all my images. Anything I could tell this guy, he brought it to life. And so, you know, I'm very thankful when I'm able to give people my designs and they bring it to life. Like when I gave my design to my homeboy Powder, and I said, hey, this is what I want for my sign, dude. You know, that's what I want. He was able to help me bring it to life, which is amazing. You know, when people can sit there and bring it to life, you know, before I had reached out to him to make a sign, I had an idea to make a sign of my debut logo, which I still want to do through that person. It's just the timing, I guess, wasn't right now, which is okay. You know, nothing needs to be rushed, and anything that is worth it should never be rushed. Like, people get so impatient and uptight when they don't get things, and hey, I'm guilty too. I can't say I haven't been uptight when I didn't get my product right away, you know, and I might have snapped on some people, and, you know, it ain't right, you know. People who build things with their hands and hand custom fabrication, give them some time, man. They're gonna build it with a lot of heart and soul. So never rush anything, because anything that's worth it, like a diamond, is gonna take time. Oh, so it's been a long day, and I'm done for the day. Be back up tomorrow and hammer it out tomorrow, but I wanted to end on a note for this, for my people, because a lot of people get it confused, they get it twisted, you know, which is okay. Like, you can perceive it however you want to see it, but like, genuinely, like, a post today, like, I just want to give a shout out to the dads. Like, I'm not trying to disgrace the mommies. I know y'all working hard, trust me, my wife worked hard, but like, men don't get recognition enough, you know, especially the dads, man. So I'm just trying to give some love to the men. Ain't no disrespect to the women. I love these women too. But on another note too, I want to just tell you guys, like, on touch note with money, how people say it's like the root of all evil and it won't make you happy. And the thing with it is if you think it's evil, it won't make you happy. If you use it for evil, it won't make you happy. But you can use it and do good things with it, like pray over it and bless it and send it and give it back to the people that need it the most, you know, people that are struggling, you know. That fills my heart full of joy when, you know, we can do things with that money that we were never able to do before, no matter what it is. And, you know, no matter what I do with it, it's my money. I do what I want with it. Blow it or give it away. Don't matter, right? Yeah, work hard, stay motivated, get it done. That's what he's saying. We're getting it done. Deadline is gotta hit deadlines, gotta make the projects come to a completion. Damn. And then, on to the next. And so I'm hammered down, but ain't nothing gonna keep me down. So, nothing but love to my people. I love you guys. Keep it real. I just want to get on here and spit to you guys because I'm busy. I'm busy. And I ain't got time to really get on here. So, just make collage of videos, because I take them here and I say things here and there. And I just want you guys to have it. So, it's yours. Have it. I love you. Stay real. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the other side of the pipe eventually. I'm going to get this work. I'm going after all this work. It's got to start with me putting in all the work. I thought for years I could get people out there to do it. Man, hurts me to be so disposable from them companies when I've given them so much. But anyways, I will hire people as long as they're willing to give me hard, good work. I will keep them. Yep, and I will cherish them, and I will appreciate them. Anyways, wrap to you later. I'm out. Peace.